fish, amphibians, birds, mammals, and reptiles. The snake is a reptile. It's covered with scales.
Its size ranges from 10 centimeters in length up to 7.6 feet in the case of pythons and anacondas.
Snakes live in all continents, but not in Antarctica. They are carnivores. They eat small animals, such as lizards, birds, fish.
They have no legs. Snakes bite to defend itself. They have venom. It is a wild animal. Depends on the species. They are not in danger.
The venom of some snakes can kill. They grow on bed and climb trees. Some snakes swim. They are a pet. They are oviparous. They breed.
We have chosen the snake because it has very peculiar features.